guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good and well. In today's video, we're going to do the craziest design for Christmas. Craziest.
I've seen it. It is incredible.
Insane. I don't know how I came up with it, but I did. And it looks absolutely gorgeous on a piece of nail. So yeah, today we're going to sculpt a 3D Christmas tree. I don't do a lot of sculpting, do I, Tom?
Not on the channel, no.
No, so it's a first. So wish me luck because I'm a bit nervous. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the guy. Yalla, let's go. Right. So this is the base. So I've got this gorgeous aquarium nail, which I will post a tutorial on how to create the week after this. I don't know when we're posting this, but you will get it. So this is going to be the background for our tree, and for today's design we're going to use two different greens. Now this is a brand that I haven't got a clue where it's from. When I first started sculpting, I just ordered like a bundle from AliExpress. We love Ali.
Yes,
you know what I mean. You know, you've got to give Ali a go sometimes. So I'm going to use two of these sculpting gels. All right, and for the beginning, we're going to take a little bit of each color. Now I'm going to basically take light green, oops, over here, okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the dark green into it, just like so. Okay, and I'm gonna roll them into a bowl. Now I do not want this to be fully mixed, okay? I just want to marble it so it gets a nice mixture of both colors, and I'm just going to marble it, move it around a little bit, make it a little bit more, you know,
get them friendly,
get it friendly. Yeah, there we go. So it looks something like this. Terrible for now, but trust me, it works. It looks really good, right? I've got all colors mixed together, and now I'm going to basically roll it into a cone just with my fingers. So I'm going to pinch one end of it and apply a little bit of pressure, and then I get a bit of a triangle shape. Can you see that? Just like that. Okay, I'm going to get that shape, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that on our nail. So once I've applied it on the nail, I'm just going to press down that triangle and flatten it down slightly more, so we basically have the top of the tree.
And that's it. That's the design done.
And that's it. Goodbye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
So I'm literally doing that. Okay, and I'm not going to cure that yet. I'm going to use my cuticle pusher, and I'm just going to basically neaten up the shape, the shape. Oh my god, I can't get my words together. Do you know why?
Why?
Because it's freaking cold.
Yeah.
Absolutely freezing, and my brain cells are frozen. It's 2 degrees in the UK. Absolutely, I don't know. Me and Tom are struggling today.
Yeah, there's no heating.
Not in this room.
Not in this room.
Well, it's not my fault that I get really warm. I do not allow heating in the house. Even my brothers, they get well pissed with me because I always turn it off. I still sleep with a fan.
Really?
Yeah, even now.
Even now?
Snow. Yep. But it is cold. I mean, during the day I'm really cold, but at nighttime I like it when it's cold because that's the only way I could sleep better.
No, I understand. I need to be hot in bed. Like I'm like a hot water bottle.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I would no, I can't do a hot water bottle in bed.
No, Jazz hates it.
I would literally, no, that's not happening. I would not sleep.
She doesn't let me touch her or cuddle her. She's like, you literally are boiling right now.
I don't blame her. Do not blame her. I'm just sorting out the shape slightly. Don't worry if it's not perfect, because we're gonna ruin it in a minute. But we're not gonna cure it just yet. Before we cure it, let me show you what I'm going to use today to create the texture for my tree. So I'm going to be using my cuticle nippers. Can you see that these scissors, they basically have a bit of a curve? So I'm going to have the curve facing me. So when I pinch the scissors, I create mini triangles towards me, just like so. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm just cutting this uncured gel. So I'm literally just creating these mini triangles. That's so cool. It looks like a dragon, like dragon scales as well, right?
Yeah. It's a really good technique. You can do it with
really
lots of
cool
things.
So I'm literally just going to pinch it, create this beautiful texture of a tree, and look at that. And because we marble the colors, it gives it like a bit more of a realistic look.
Yeah.
So you know how the tree has like some parts that are lighter, some parts that are a bit darker. So this is what we did with the colors. That's why we didn't mix them properly. So we've got this bit done. Look at that. That looks insane. Before I cure it, I'm just going to literally straighten some of the bits out and push some of the triangles out to make it look a bit more realistic. So I'm literally just giving it a bit more, I'm just doing a little bit more tidying up, pushing these triangles out. And once I'm happy with the shape of the tree, I'm going to pop it into the lamp. Right, so we've got our gorgeous tree ready. Look at that. I'm obsessed. So good, right?
It looks so good.
And I'm going to add the base to the tree. So I'm going to use the same kind of 3D sculpting gel. And I'm going to take a little bit of brown, if I can get my words out. Just a tiny bit of brown. And I'm going to add that to the bottom of the tree to create the base. So I'm just rolling it in my fingers. By the way, when you work with molding gel, it is hard to mold it into shape if you take it straight out of the jar and then, you know, try to sculpt. You have to really warm it, if it makes sense.
Yeah.
So like rub it and move it around, it becomes more flexible, and then you can shape it much better. That's something that I've learned with time. I didn't know that in the beginning. I used to like use gels and they're like so hard, and then I tried to do something and I'm like, why is it not, you know?
It's just like flaking.
Yeah. So basically you need to really rub it between your fingers just before, kind of warm it up slightly, increase the temperature of the product, and then it'll be easier to mold it.
Especially now, because it's like a fridge in here, so everything's super hard.
So hard. So I'm gonna add that to the bottom of the tree, and I'm going to basically shape it now with my cuticle pusher, the side that doesn't push. So I'm just going to do it like a rectangle, is it?
Yeah, I think
like
so.
a mini rectangle. And I'm gonna push it there and shape it nicely. So once I've done that, what we can do as well, we can kind of score it slightly just to make it look a bit more realistic. I think it looks better. Right, so we've got the brown bit ready over here. I'm gonna pop this into the lamp as well, and then we are going to seal the whole tree with my favorite.
Here he is.
Matt.
Back again.
He's back. He'll be the star of our YouTube channel, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not Steffi, it's not Tom, it's Matt.
Because Matt makes everything look better as well.
Everything. Right, so super thin layer of this. So remove most of the product to really leave that brush nice and dry. Because once you apply any type of gel product, a runny gel, on top of this molding gel, then it changes the shape. So I don't want it to change the shape, right? So I'm just gonna literally brush it very gently and try to get it inside all of these little, you know, dents and spaces and whatnot, just to kind of try and really lock and cover all this uncured molding gel. Well, not uncured, but cured, but unseal. So I'm literally just applying that all over, and don't forget the base, of course. There we go. So I've literally covered every inch of that tree. I'm going to pop it into the lamp, And while it's curing, I'm going to show you the next product that we're going to use, if I can find it. It's here. Oh God. So we're going to use this beautiful no wipe gel from GLITTERBELS, the Unbelievable gels. I love this gel. We're going to use it in white, and then we're going to sugar it with some glitter, which is meant to be here. There we go. I found it. This is from Hamway. We love Hamway. Do you know Hamway? It's a crafting. It's a craft kind of company that does a lot of premium glitter for like different kind of arts and crafts. So it's really, really cool. So they have a really nice color, which is like a white, but it's a very like transparent white. It comes across silvery, but it's not. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
It's got a really nice kind of,
shimmer.
And when you mix it with the no wipe Unbelievable gel, you get snow, which is what we have in the UK. We have plenty of it in my garden right now.
Oh, it's awful.
We can actually go and get it in and put
oh my God, imagine. And then we'll seal it with some matte top coat so it doesn't melt.
Yeah, it will melt straight away.
Straight away.
Right, so this is what our tree is looking like. Look guys, this is insane. So cool. I'm going to take my favorite Nails by Dev brush, which I use for everything, every single thing. Unfortunately, I'm so lazy. I need to change brushes for different techniques, but I get so lazy and I just use one. Is what it is.
Everyone has their favorites.
Yes. I'm going to take some of that white and I'm going to just apply it on the top of the tree. Literally just think about the edges. You don't have to be too clean with this, obviously, because we are trying to mimic what snow looks like on the tree, right? So if you do it too clean, it will look quite weird.
Yeah, you don't want it like perfect, because that's not what snow's like.
All of my designs are not perfect.
No, don't say that.
But I can get away with saying if I say that, they'll be like, oh, she didn't strive for perfection. It's okay if it's ugly.
Exactly. And then they can't blame you if
they can't. That's it.
Wrong.
That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm getting that white everywhere I want it to go. Try to like concentrate the majority of the color on the edges of those little spikes, because it gives it a nice effect. And once I've done that, guess what?
Glitter.
Yes, well done. I thought you were gonna say cure. I was gonna try and catch you out there.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, maybe cure, maybe glitter. Which one? No, glitter, because it needs to stick.
Nice. Yeah. He's getting
slowly,
good.
Slowly,
I think we should get Tom to do a tutorial in a month or two once he's got a bit more nail knowledge.
Definitely.
I'll get him to paint on the channel. You might even enjoy seeing his face a little bit more than mine.
Well, they've not seen my face yet.
No.
No.
Just really kidding. I'm kidding. We're going to do a video. I'm going to challenge him.
You'll have to give me a challenge.
That's it. Right. I'm going to sugar this with this gorgeous glittery white. And then I'm going to just dust off some of the excess. But again, sugar it like your life depends on it, because you need to make sure it's all over that white gel. I'm gonna pop this into the lamp. So now that the white is cured, I'm gonna use my makeup brush, a clean one, don't worry, and I'm just gonna dust off the excess of that glitter. Look how cute this looks already.
It looks great.
Look, it actually looks just like snow. Really does.
Magical.
Absolutely. Look at that. Cute, isn't it?
Oh my God, yeah.
It's lovely. And what we want to do to make it even more Christmassy and beautiful and cute and all of that, we're going to add some like ornaments or like...
Ornaments, yeah.
Yeah, but like
we call them baubles.
Yeah, how do you pronounce it?
Baubles.
Baubles.
Yeah.
I hate that word. It's so awkward.
It's English.
I prefer ornaments.
Yeah.
Definitely. So we're going to use some of these beautiful gold ones, and we're going to use some from this wheel. Okay, and then we're going to use one more, if I can find it. Oh, there we go. I've got another wheel here of some gold stuff, and the reason I want to use this one is because it's got a star in it, and we want a star at the top of the tree.
You have to have a star.
You must. So I'm just trying to turn it. There we go. And now I'm going to get some of my no wipe clear gel and just apply a little bit on here, just a little dot. Okay. Apply the star with my hands because I've got gloves and it's okay. I'm going to apply more of that gel in random places and then add some ornaments. There we go. With a brush, and I'll just, there we go, place it down with my hand. A little bit of gel. And then I'm going to use a dotting tool just to secure it and make sure it's really stuck in there. There we go. And one more here. Okay. So once we've got all the ornaments on, look how cute.
Looks great.
So nice. Once we've got them all on, I'm going to pop this into the lamp for the last time.
Oh my gosh.
And this is what it looks like, guys, once I've cured it. This is so stunning. A really cute tiny Christmas tree on a nail. It looks so good. Honestly, you can do it a lot thinner, of course, but I had to exaggerate slightly so you can see the whole thing, the whole process and how I did it from start to finish. But yeah, this is our little tree. I love it.
It looks great.
It really is Christmassy, isn't it? It's
is.
proper. It sums up Christmas on a nail, this one.
It does. It really does.
I think it's one of my favorite designs ever. It really is beautiful. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you recreate this design, please make sure to tag us and here on Instagram or anywhere else. I'd love to see what you guys can create and how would you decorate your tree. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're still here after everything that I've said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.